Hey,
Hello, welcome to BLC Auditorium. Sorry, BLC Engineering Workshop. How can I help you?
oh hello. I want to admit my
Please take a
younger.
seat.
Oh, so I want to admit my younger brother and sister here.
Oh, that's excellent. Can I know their ages?
The younger one is just 4 years old. Do you take that age group here?
Yeah, we actually take almost all the age group besides 1 and 2 age because they're little kids, obviously. But there is a batch called the kids, the engineering kids, or the kids engineer.
So what do you guys offer there?
Oh, there are many offers like they get to learn many things about engineering, how it was first discovered, blah blah blah. And there is also many things they
Oh,
would learn.
that's great.
But the most of the thing is they would get to play with robots and that, and they would get a little bit of lessons on robot because the kids don't know how complex these are. So we'll just give a little lessons and we'll like teach them many things on how fluids work, that kind of stuff. And also there is a game called the Save the Egg. There they get an egg like sculpture because egg is expensive these days, where they have to save that sculpture from getting destroyed from a distant height, like 1 to 2 meter. So they get to use clay, foam, etc. to make the egg not break. And those who like do it with the lowest materials get some kind of a prize.
That sounds great. But what about the another my brother who
Oh.
just had his seventh birthday?
Okay, okay.
What
Then
about him?
they are obviously not in the same group as you may know. The kids are different from they like their kids and these are like youngsters. So they would be obviously on the junior engineering workshops or the junior engineers group.
So what do you guys offer there?
So like this is kind of bit complex, like call it like a bit complexer than the kids one
It is the
because they are a
age
bit
gap,
older. There because of
obviously.
there's a big huge age gap from 3 to 4 to 7. That's a big age gap. So first of all, they would know a little bit of binary coding. Like would teach them the starting the pyramid of binary coding. They would get to code robots and get to code something like would give them a manual how to code that kind of stuff. And obviously we're just gonna give him a charm by giving them the time to create a game like a puzzle way, like would give the code like the binary code, and then there would be gaps in the code so they can fill it up and create some kind of a game. They would be obviously happy on that. And also we teach them about how robots are coded, how AI works, and that kind of stuff, if you know.
So that's just sounds perfect. So I
Yes.
want to admit my two brothers and
Oh well, so
sisters.
you would obviously need the registration form. Let me get it for you.
Okay, okay, let me check.
So let me just give you the stapled one. So you'd need to fill up these
Yeah.
to get
So
your
let me
son
check
and daughter.
first.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Let,
You need a pen. Let me just give you a
okay.
pen. So if you don't.
Let me just fill that.
Oh, I forgot. I obviously forgot you to tell
Yeah,
about the
yeah.
charges, like what charges you
Yeah,
need.
sure.
So the little one, like a little kid, the 4 year old, he has to pay, like you have to pay 3,000 taka a month. But there is a recently a sale going on kids, so we have reduced the fee, like the working fee, like the what can I say, like the
Actually, the fee is not any problem. Just tell the amount.
okay. So the normal fee, the starting fee is like when you get admitted, is 4,000 taka, and regularly is 1,000
It's
taka.
for the
It's
kids.
for the kids, and
And
for
what
your
about
little
the
kids, and for your junior kids,
juniors?
it's a bit higher. It's like 5,000 for the starting fee, and monthly it is only 2,000. Like it's a big. Like we recently a sale is going on where the fees are 20% decreased. If
All
you know.
right. Here you go.
Thank you
I'm
for filling.
admitting those two.
Okay, thank you for filling out the form. The classes start from tomorrow. It is twice a week.
Okay, they will join tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bilingual Learning Center, BLC, Bogura.